So, video camera. So, thank you, Wes, for having Rich and I take over for you. We appreciate it. So we worked on tucks. Tucks, tucks, tucks. We talked about a basic tuck, which is he brings the girl all the way in, keeping the fingers. 3 and 4. Ladies, walk it out. Now you have a great anchor, your side, and then we can finish with the basics. We did a syncopated tuck that he led simply by holding me on the 2. He went 1, stop. Well, what am I going to do? And 3, 4, walk it out. He can lead either one of those, so you want to kind of pay attention. The next thing we talked about was, we didn't go over it. We didn't go over it, but we did talk about, guys, if you ever bring the girl all the way on the 3. 1, 2, 3. You've already set her to go into motion. Don't do fakes. Don't go like, because that's what she'll do, just by virtue of the way that you set her. If you're going to do fake tucks, you got to do it with the stop on 2. 1, 2, 3. Until he sets it and you're done. Okay, we just added that. The advanced sequence for tonight was a change hand tuck. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Notice that Rich opened up his right shoulder, so he let me do that slop. I already know I'm going that way. He sets me on the 1 and redirects it. 1, 2, 3 and he stops leading 4, walk it out. Basic. Okay, we'll do it again. Change hand tuck. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, my fault. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Basic. 1, 2. Now, ladies, your goal is to always keep your arm this way. Sheila, let me see you for a second. Let me use you for a second. I'm going to use you. All right. So, ladies, or guys, when I lead this, I don't take my hand up. 1, 2. Notice that my hand is in front of her head. 3 and I stop. All I do is let the hand down. I'm going to do it this way. Okay? 1, 2, 3 and 4. She walks it out. Don't try and pick it up. Don't. Right? You just got to let her turn it. So the whole thing. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Alright, that was good. Alright, thank you so very much. I appreciate y'all.